Hello guys. Oh, I've missed you guys so much. I've been busy with life and stuff. So that's why I've not been able to post since. Please bear with me. Welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Cassie Makeover, and I'm here with this interesting video for you guys. Please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Please. And you can also follow me on my Instagram at Cassie_Makeover. Okay, this video is actually very detailed. Just keep watching and you understand everything I'm doing here. And I'm using this lovely Weavon for my client. She actually sent the Weavon to me for me to make it as a wig. So I decided to show you guys on how it's done. So just keep watching. If you want to watch a well-detailed video on how to ventilate your lace closure or lace frontal, I actually have a video on it. I will leave the link in the description box so you guys can watch it and see a more detailed video on how to ventilate your lace closure or frontal. Pardon me guys, I don't really know how to talk much on videos. Please just keep watching. It's a very detailed video and very simple. It's easy, just concentrate on it. Don't skip any part. Watch to the end, please. And please don't forget to subscribe. Support me by subscribing. Just click on the subscription button and that's done. It's for free. You don't need to pay to subscribe. So please support me. Thank you. guys, we've come to the end of the video. See the way how beautiful this wig is looking. Thanks for watching to this point. Thanks for subscribing. I love you, and I'll see you all in my next video, and I promise to be posting more often. Okay, see you guys later, and happy new year.